Hello, I'm Sam with Ron Hoover, RV and Marine in Laredo, Texas. Today's topic is something very familiar to the Laredo, South Texas area. These intense temperatures and this crazy heat. Heat and humidity can cause several heat-related illnesses such as cramps, heat exhaustion, and heat stroke. Knowing the signs and symptoms of each type of heat-related illness will keep everyone safe when on the job. Headache, nausea, and feeling weak or dizzy are just a few of these symptoms to look out for. To stay cool in these brutal temperatures, drink lots of water, fluids to stay hydrated. Wear long sleeve, light colored clothing, and proper headgear to shield you from the elements. If you or any of your coworkers feel any of these symptoms, move the victim to a cool area, lay victim on their back, and seek medical attention. Do not underestimate the seriousness of heat-related illnesses. Do not give medication to reduce fever, and do not allow the victim to drink anything caffeinated or alcoholic. Do not overlook the medical conditions that may complicate the condition further. This is Sam at Ron Hoover, RV and Marine in Laredo, Texas. Remember to look out for yourself and look out for others and stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye.